Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing my manual transmission oil change on my NSX. So you just basically, first you need to do is crack that open, that 17 millimeter. Anytime you want to do a transmission oil, you want to remove the drain plug first. I'm so sorry, the refill plug first, or the refill screw. So take that off, 17 mil. Crack it open and then crack this one open. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. There you go. So, there you go, crack it open towards me, towards the outside. My thing got stuck in my 17 mil. It's serrated. So just pull it again towards me. I'm gonna have to do that. I need my two hands, so I don't want the camera to shake. All right, so that's it. Just two bolts, and then we'll be right back. And the other one is this one. There we go. It's cracked open. And let's see how clean my oil is. I haven't changed it in a long time. There you go. Sorry for my hard breathing, everyone. Oh shit, it's clean. Damn, I didn't know it's clean. Ownership of 8 years. It's so clean. All right, and that's it, guys. And then that's for the drain. I'm gonna show you how to fill it up. Be right back. Putting new sets of aluminum gasket or crush washer, and I'm gonna put it in. For the refill part, I got one of these at the auto store long ago. Connected it with this laying around on my, or you could any hose or rubber hose that's like this, and then I connected it all the way down to the tranny, as you can see right there in the middle. Focus right over there, and then just let the gravity take over. You can pump it, but the pumping part takes longer. And so I'll just do this. I got some Acura or Honda tranny oil. It's only $6.45. So it's safer to go with the factory. I mean, all these years, you know, it's always been serviced with an Acura oil or Honda oil. So I'm happy with it. It's 100,000 miles. So, and that's it. So I'm gonna let the gravity take over, feed it like this, and put 3/4 until the filler hole starts filling up, and that's when you know it's full. All right, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and thumbs up if you can.